stuff together for water for the hogs. I guess we'll see how this works out. These are actually designed to go on for dogs, not pigs. They actually make a nipple for pigs, but I had these laying around the house and thought maybe, well, I'll try these, and if it doesn't work, then I'll get the pig nipples. This is gonna mount on there at a 45. It's a street elbow. It'll mount on there, and then of course I got this, I don't know, about a 16 or 18 inch piece of metal pipe here. I put it together, but I learned that this Y sight here is pretty cheap, so I'm as tight as we can go here at the hub on the street elbow, but this is pretty floppy. Plus this rubber fitting that goes around the outside has stripped itself off. So I've got another one. I'm gonna take this one off, put another one on, and see if it's any tighter or snug. It also had this rubber piece on it. I was able to just take the rubber piece off of the one that I originally put on, and then I was able to tighten this up, tighten up with a pipe wrench, that I was able to prevent this from spinning on that street elbow. So the first piece of pipe I grabbed was too small. You can see the diameter there is a little bit smaller than the green one. So I'm gonna get rid of that black one, and we'll put those hose barbs in this green hose here, and there'll be two female adapters on both ends. And I'm going to use a torch here just to heat it up slightly and make it pliable to slide those adapters on. That way I'll have a double female ended hose. Two female ends, new washers in there, some old piece of scrap hose I had laying around. So I know I've done a video of the shelter, the hog feeder, and now the watering system, which I'm fixing to hook up. This is the pen I've made. It's kind of hard to see there in the dirt, but it's a bunch of hog panels with some T-posts driven in. I'm gonna set the shelter and the feeder in there, then that'll be the garden ready for next year. Well, the sun set on me last night, and I didn't get to show you the final product for the watering setup that I have for the hogs, but I'll show it to you here. I created that double-ended piece, female to female. There's a water hose going to the faucet over there, and then of course you got that downspout. I just got it zip tied for now. I'll probably end up wiring it up once I get the hogs and figure out what level I want to put these nipples at down here. But you got two nipples that I think will work fine. You can use it for dogs, use it for hogs. This is designed for dogs. We'll see how well it works with the hogs. If the pigs work fine, I'll leave it. Otherwise, I'll get the ones that are designed for pigs. But overall, I'm pretty happy with what we have. I think it'll work. We'll give it a whirl anyway. I'll let you know how it goes once we get pigs and get it tested good.